Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we were in the Livingston Avenue area. We decided to start on Everett Road, went all the way down Commerce, cut over on Terminal Street, and then went down Livingston Avenue up by the Manning Boulevard. So we went down there, pretty busy. Once we got down towards the Henry Johnson area, the traffic was getting really congested. I actually almost got into an accident, which was not fun. So that's when I decided to cut off and get back on the highway for the most part. I was going to go on the other side of Henry Johnson and go all the way down Livingston, but that is highly congested and there's a lot of cars. And as much as I wanted to go through there and get the action and get the footage, I was like, you know what? I haven't been down here in a while, and I didn't want to, like I said, didn't want to take the chances of getting an accident, especially after I just got into one. But either way. So yeah, other than that, it was like I said, nice little drive. Lots of people out. So you'll see for yourself. Other than that, hopefully everybody's good, and we'll see you on the next one.